So we have reached to Kandahar. These are most of this place green when there is a raining season. Can you believe this is Afghanistan? Hi everyone, we are traveling to Kandahar. We have left Kabul. It's almost around 550 kilometers away from Kabul. Now we are in Maidan Wardak. It's another province of Afghanistan. We will show you this highway. We will be traveling to Kandahar. Then from Kandahar we will be traveling to Helmand. We will be trying to show you a proper place, like a historical place, some parks or anything in Kandahar as well. There are so many places to visit in Kandahar, as I'm sure you know. You are very familiar with the name Kandahar. This hat, if you can see, this belongs to Kandahar style. So we are ready to Kandahar style. This is the main route of Kabul Kandahar highway. It's more secure now. People are traveling across Afghanistan from one part to another part of Afghanistan. Especially people are traveling to Nuristan, they are traveling to Paktia, they are traveling to Bamiyan, they are traveling to all over Afghanistan. Actually, it's a winter. Somehow you see some snows on the mountain, but in the summertime, these are more greenery. You see rivers flowing. You see fruits. There's apple, apricot, other fruits as well. There are so many other vegetables, but in summer traveling through this route is more enjoyable because these mountains will be green everywhere. So follow us. We will show you Kandahar highway from Kabul to Kandahar, from Kandahar to Helmand in other vlogs. After a few hour drive, we have reached to Ghazni province. So now we will be having lunch. So we have ordered some food. You know, Afghanistan is famous for food, rice, meat. Mostly Afghan they use rice. So without rice, I'm sure if you go to their homes, in the house, in restaurants, they will order rice. So you see, this is the salad. So you'll have it, inshallah. Mint and orange. So we have ordered, we will have our lunch, break, zuhur, then we will be traveling to Kandahar from Ghazni. Basically, we have left Ghazni city. I think it's a district. These are most of this place green when there is a raining season. But here you see the shepherds with their sheep and goats. So they move around, they live here. Actually, I told one of my friends that if we can stay at night with these shepherds, it will be much better, because we can enjoy the desert life, natural, with everything nature, milk, we can even have fire. So basically we live around these desert, these shepherds, these kids moving around. So we are, I think, 300 kilometers away from Kandahar. So after this our car is down there, so we'll have some rest time. We just saw we come across the road and have a chat with these shepherds and see. These are some natural beauty. Reached to Kandahar, beautiful city of Ainomena. It's amazing. Trust me, it's my first time in Kandahar. I've been to other places, other countries, but when I saw, I didn't, trust me, I couldn't believe that this is Afghanistan as well. Why? Because we've been to a hotel and they say it's fully booked, there's no place. So we came to NFC hotel, proper hotel. They have all facilities, Wi-Fi, TV and everything. They have swimming pool, breakfast, everything free, including with this. So we have reached to Kandahar. We will be trying to show you Ainomena. I'm sure you can't believe that this is Afghanistan. You won't believe that this is Afghanistan. Kandahar is a beautiful city. Weather is not even hot or warm or cold. It's okay. We will have our dinner inshallah. Hafiz, are you feeling tired?
Yes, I'm feeling very good. This place is
tired
very
or
beautiful.
Good?
Yeah?
Tired or good? You feel tired or good?
I am good, but I'm feeling some tired.
Okay, so he feels tired as well.
Inshallah, we will eat
10 hours
some.
I have drive, so we have come almost 500 something kilometers away from Kabul. Now we will be trying to show you Aino Mina. It's open I think till 12 o'clock at night. These people are moving around. People in Kandahar, they are very, what we call it, they joke around, they are very funny people, and also they love to travel. That's what the Kandaharis are famous for. They love to travel to different parts and see around. Now you see everywhere these ice creams, coffee shops, restaurants, everything is open. Even I saw pizza in Kandahar, pizza shops, pizza restaurants, amazing decoration and design. So we will be going to our room. We have booked our room. We will go there, change and fresh up and come and have our dinner, and we will try to move around. If possible, we will show you the Aino Mina as well. Let's go. So we have booked the hotel and this is our room. We will show you what is inside and we will show you they have each and everything. TV, toilet, proper shower and beds. We have fridge there down there, and you see this. To relax. So we have reached to our room. Here we will stay. These are, I think maybe it's handmade or not, but it's unique. We have everything, all the facilities needed. So what we will do, we will be fresh up. We'll get, because it's a 10-hour drive, so we'll get fresh up and go and have a dinner. We'll stay here. Tomorrow early morning we are traveling to Helmand province. So tomorrow we will be in Helmand. We will get back to Kandahar, and we will be trying to show you on Thursday. We will be maybe, I think for us it's coming Thursday. So what we have planned is to show you the historical and amazing places of Kandahar, and we will be trying to do some paperwork if needed to show you the historical places. For some historical places you need permission. We will be trying to do that. We will show you Kandahar, and then we will get back to Kabul maybe on Friday, inshallah. See you, and we will go and have a dinner. We will show you our dinner. We have came outside to have our dinner, and it's amazing place. Can you believe this is Afghanistan? One of my friends from Bangladesh, when I was trying to show him that this is Afghanistan, he was saying, no, Afghanistan is where everyone is fighting. No, it's not everyone is fighting. You will have amazing places like this. You see the restaurants around in Aino Mina here. You can see Hafiz, bro. You can show them the beautiful Aino. This is one of the restaurants in Aino Mina. Outside, these are here. So this is just people are having breakfast and they try to have dinner. You can find different kebabs, you can find different meals, you can find different foods, desserts, ice creams, and we will be trying to see what famous is here. We will be having that, and people, our friends are waiting outside, and they are sitting outside because we have almost traveled for 10 hours, so they are sitting down there. Let's see what they have ordered and what we are eating. And our vlog will be closed for today. That's the day one, and tomorrow we will start our trip to Helmand province.